and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
I'm Wentinn, and I'm going to be presenting problem sprint 25. And in this problem, we're given a square, and then we draw a line from this bottom right corner to the midpoint. And then we want to we have a circle inscribed in this triangle, and then we have another circle inscribed in this trapezoid. And then the goal is to find the ratio of these two circles. And we're going to do this without any side lines, because this is actually possible without. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to extend this line up to here, and then I'm going to draw another line from this square extending up to here. And then we're going to note that these two lengths are parallel because this is a square and the two opposite sides of a square are parallel. And then again, note that because this is the midpoint, these two lengths are equal. So we can just say they're both length 1. And then because we extended it, these two triangles are not congruent. So this triangle right here and this triangle right here are congruent. And that also means that these two triangles are similar. So this large triangle and this small triangle are both similar. And you can see here that this blue triangle is twice as large as the green triangle because its side lengths are all twice as long. And then now we note that just by similarity, this circle in the blue triangle is twice as large as the circle in the green triangle. And so its radius will also be twice as long. And then so now we can say that if the radius of the small circle is radius r, then the radius of the big circle is radius 2r. And then now we can just compute the ratio of the areas. The area of the small circle is pi r squared. The area of the large circle is pi times 4r squared, because 4r squared equals 2r squared. And then now we could just compute the ratio. So pi r squared over pi times 4r squared equals 1/4. And then we can see that 1/4 will always be the ratio regardless of what the side length of the square is, provided that the point we choose here is actually the midpoint. And that's problem number 25.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.